Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add on Zangi. It's very quick and easy. First, open the Zangi app on your phone. If you have recently created a new account, you will see your number on this page. Then, to share your number with others, tap the share button here, this one. You can choose to share it via Bluetooth, Chrome, or a messaging app. Now, to add a new friend, tap the people icon at the bottom of the screen, this one. After that, you can see here many options. Once you're in the contact section, tap the plus icon at the top to add someone. Here's the plus icon. After that, you can here enter the person's name and their Zangi number. If they have multiple numbers, just tap the plus icon again to add additional Zangi numbers here, this one. After entering their number, simply tap the check icon to confirm and add them as your contact. Here is the tick mark. And there you have it. You have successfully added someone on Zangi. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.